So yeah, this is what I'm dealing with after a snowstorm. Unreal. Unreal. So I guess the snowplow doesn't know how to plow. Zero common sense here. None. You're a snowplow driver and you see two cars parked perpendicular like this. Is you gonna put the snow in the middle of them? I don't think so. It's ridiculous. Look at this. Look at this. This is a whole mountain, dude. And my car's completely freaking buried. This is ridiculous. Unreal. This is unreal. Unacceptable. I will be calling the city, obviously, because I'm pretty sure this is a violation of snow removal of the landlord. They're in violation. Oh, and yeah, I'm gonna see if I can put in the thumbnail the property who owns this building. I'm gonna put their name in the thumbnail. You can check them out, because this is what you get when you rent from this company. Unbelievable. Unreal.